and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever.
Where are you going, dear?
I'm going out.
Talofa lava, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are having lunch with our P82 fam at Yumcha. Come along and join us.
Let me show you what we ate today.
Welcome back to the vlog. We're here at Yumcha. What was supposed to be a sibling catch-up for our mothers and their brothers. We invited ourselves. Good job. But look at this. Very cutesy. Tell it's your shouting. I was saving that, but it's okay. Okay guys, we're just trying the orange spring rolls. I think these things.
It's us enjoying all the food like we were invited.
Oh, goose eggs! What do you guys reckon? Auntie reckons that's goose eggs. Try it. Okay guys, We had to update you guys on the spread because the food's still coming. So let me just show y'all. Some calamari.
That's the last one.
I don't know what that is, but it's just not ending. Not ending. My cuz here with his wrap. Very good, very good.
And this is
No, you cricket
Cheers if your parents are eyeing you out for eating all the food, but weren't invited to their catch-up.
Stir it for me if you would, 'cause you look so good, you make it taste good. Baby, please, if you could, take me back to my roots, just me and my roots.
Should we hear that laugh one more time?
Can mix it till the morning comes, till the morning, oh yeah, early morning.
That's how we feeling.
Take me back to my roots. If you mix it, they will come. Mix it up, pour me a cup. Oh yeah, yeah. We'll drink it under the moon. Under the moon. And then we can mix it till the morning comes.
What's that, Auntie? What's that, Mum?
It's a black moon.
Nah, because you taste it. How is it? What is that? Pops, pops. Not bad, he reckons. Not bad.
She's like, oh. And what is that a pancake? And I'm like, oh, what pancake?
you're welcome.
Wait, that's not your generation, wait. Did you want to be with us?
Under the stars, I hold your hand as you hold my heart. Dance with me, darling, and while we groove, show me the way.
Either way.
And I will move.
Noise.
The waves
Thanks for tuning in to today's vlog fair.
Thank you guys for coming.
Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe.